Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer grilled cheese sandwich. Let's begin. We have here some bread from Sara Lee. And let's take it out. There you go. We have here some Kerrygold butter. We'll need 4 tablespoons. There you go, that's 4 tablespoons. We're going to take the butter and spread it on top of the bread. That's one. There you go, that's another one. Third one done. There we go. The butter side of the sandwich will be facing on the outside of the sandwich. We're going to turn it over. First, we'll need some cheddar cheese. There you go, some cheddar cheese. Next, we'll need some Gouda cheese. There you go, some Gouda cheese. Next, we'll need some Havarti cheese. There you go, Havarti cheese. There we go. And lastly, one more slice of cheddar cheese on top. Next, make sure that the butter side is facing out. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 370 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put it in. There we go. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to set the temperature back to 370 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Flip it over. There you go. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 8 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer grilled cheese sandwich. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.